You. One.
This one rice.
Two. One. Two and one.
Translate mo na.
We will just add one.
Four people.
No, only three. Only three.
Ah.
No.
Three people. One.
No. One order of one rice free. Two and me three rice.
No, two. No, two. One.
Men said, the men said, one order is plus one rice.
Ito masarap. Beef, ano yan ribs? Pork ribs. Ito masarap kaso medyo matigas. Yung ano. Corner. Tapos ito, crunchy. Tinost nila. Ano ba ito? Basil? Ito sure eh. Basil yata. Sabi siya dip dito. Thank you!
Ano pala?
Ito lasa tong ano, spare ribs na ano, grilled. Na may tinta na barbecue sauce. Parang gano'n.
Ha?
Ito naman. Ano ba ito? Chicken o duck? Duck? Duck to. Na, wait lang. Sarap naman siya. Okay naman. Malambot. Malambot yung duck meat. Pero ito yung mas masarap. Ribs. Ano kinakain mo? Duck? Ayaw mo nung meat. Sino sa suka? Ito gusto. Pangit lasa. Basta, hindi siya matitake. For me. Sarap to pag ito. Coca-Cola.